Hey guys, so as you can see, I am not allowed back in the classroom yet. The doctor's note that I got was not specific enough. Very exciting. But I did find out that it's for sure an ACL tear and I'm gonna need surgery. So I'm gonna have my surgery on Friday. I'm hoping that I'll be able to be back in the classroom Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week. It's going to be a block schedule, so I'll only see you guys twice, I believe. But I'm hoping that I'll be back. I still need to wait to hear back from the district office about whether I'm allowed back or not. But I can walk, I'm off crutches, so I'm hoping to be back as soon as possible. By this point, you guys should have done the intro to Genocide PowerPoint and started working on your genocide group projects. We're going to be working on those this week. In order to prepare for those, today you guys are going to do a WebQuest scavenger hunt. So what you're going to be doing is you'll have the computers and you're basically going to be learning how to use the library database to generate solid resources for this project, okay? So the worksheets that you guys should have gotten from the front table are going to be what you're filling out for this period, okay? So if you look, you guys are going to get used to using two different online databases on our library website, okay? The first one is EBSCOhost Explorer. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the Great Oak Library webpage. You're going to click on EBSCOhost, okay? So go to the Great Oak website and then go to library, click on EBSCOhost, and then you're going to click on Explora High School Research, okay? You should be able to log on to it easily at school. If you're working on it at home, the username is Great Oak and the password is Wolfpack, okay? So what I want you guys to do is now I'm going to give you a couple minutes and you'll take actually it'll be more than a couple minutes. You'll take about 10 to 15 minutes and you're going to work on exploring this database, okay? So I want you to complete the questions on the handout when you're ready. You're doing this individually. I'm fine if you guys listen to music on your headphones. I just want the phones away. You're really working on figuring out how to use these resources because they're going to be helpful not just for this project, but really for the rest of high school, okay? So sub, you can go ahead and pause this video and give the students about 10 to 15 minutes to go and start working on exploring this first database. Okay, once they're done, you can play and I'll give instructions for the next part. Go for it. All right, guys, so what we're going to be doing next is the second database that you're going to be looking at is ProQuest SIRS Issue Researcher, okay? So you're going to go back to the Great Oak Library homepage and you're going to click on ProQuest SIRS, okay? The username is Great Oak and the password is 92592. So once you're logged in, you're going to find the school, family, and youth category, okay? So once you log in, you're going to find that category and you're going to have another 10 to 15 minutes to go and to work on answering the questions on this handout. There are specific answers to all of these and you're going to be turning them in. So make sure that you're really making sure to be diligent and be specific in your answers, okay? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please ask Mr. Fenny or ask the sub, okay? So go for it, take about 10 to 15 minutes. You can pause this video for now and then come back once you guys are done with this part. Okay, so whatever time you guys have left in class, I want you to fill out either on a separate sheet of paper or if you have any space left on that worksheet, okay? I want you to just take whatever time is left in class and I want you to write about what are the advantages of using a library database as opposed to going straight to Google. Okay, I want you to think about it. I want you to think about whatever research that you had initiated, whatever research you had initiated starting out the genocide project. And then I want you to think about how are the library databases going to be more helpful than just Googling something, okay? So use whatever time you have left in class. I want you to jot down your ideas for this. And then once there's a minute left in class, make sure your name is at the top of your worksheet. And then I want you to turn those into the tray on your way out, okay? I'm really hoping I'll be back tomorrow. I genuinely miss you guys. I don't know if you all miss me as much as I miss you, but I really miss being there. and I'm just itching to get back into the classroom, okay? So go ahead, go and do this quick write response, and hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Have a fantastic rest of your day.